Hey guys, Electric Tech and stuff here again. Well, I'm back. Sorry I haven't been making videos in a while. And yeah, I've just been busy, so yeah. Thank you for, this is subscribers. Thank you for hitting 46 subscribers. So thank you guys. If you keep subscribing, I'll make more content like this and other videos. So this is what I've been doing for, I don't know, like since I haven't done any videos. I've started to make some ads. So yep, look at this rubber band ball now. It's freaking huge. Crap. Yeah. And I got this new speaker. It's from Woolworths. It is pretty good. It's got a subwoofer. I'm sorry about the crappy quality, camera quality. I will get a new phone soon. This one. Yeah. And then yeah. Looks like. So that when I do this, and I've got two of these now. Two of these speakers. And this one from Kmart. It's called a Blaze. Yeah, just playing some music. I want to put on a bass song. Yeah, and the Jumpstarter's like not going well for some reason. Like the battery just does not want to last long anymore. Like it dies around 35%. And yeah, this is what I've done with the torch now. This yellow one. Yeah. I'll show you what I've done with this. Right now. A bit too close there. So, this is how I charge the thing now. So there's no charging cable or anything in there. It's just a battery and, of course, a light. And you can connect up the positive, well, negative, I mean. And I think this one's the positive, or this one. But it doesn't really matter because I use this battery charger because it's a backwards protection, and that one right there isn't. And that's what else come with that speaker, and it smells like lime. Yum. It doesn't taste good though. You can't even taste it. And this is how you just turn it on now. But I'm going to hook up a switch to it. Trying to get one. Yeah. Got some paper planes and yeah, this is the box for it. Packed for Woolworths. Yeah, the camera quality's pretty crappy. And I'm gonna do this. Yeah, just sorry about that flap right there. See? Sorry about that, cause the cover Yeah, sorry, I'm just concentrating on something else, but yeah. Yeah, so you guys keep subscribing, and I'll do more content. Because the more subscribers I get, the more I'll do. Sorry if they're too long for you to watch, but you don't have to watch the whole thing. I left the multimeter on for 7 days, goddamn. Oh, freaking hell. Oh, what? Oh yeah, because it's on amps. You're not actually meant to leave it on that for too long. God, 11 volts. Here we goes. Just turn up the music. Right, sorry about that. Something's going on with this multimeter, what the hell? That's pretty shitty. Well, crappy. What the hell? Right, plug in this Waco fridge. Plug it in. And there. Here we go. Might stop. Now she's running. There we go. Yeah, she's shut off. Battery's too low, which is more safer. Like, so it doesn't run out your car battery all the way. Yeah. Ah. For some reason, on my Jumpstarter, it does not, like, it just plays up a bit. When I turn the Jumpstarter knob on, it only does that, but I think when I showed you in my unboxing video, it used to do that, because that's what it used to do, but I have no freaking clue whatsoever's going on with this. Yeah, this is how I charge it now, instead of pulling it apart, or plugging it on the alligator clips. Just connect it up, like that. Don't want to mess around with it, because I want it to charge for 6 days. Yeah. Plug in. I want to get it at least 2,000 by the end of the year. Right, and then when I plug in this fridge right here, now that one's running. So, give me the phone. Okay, it's blowing. Yeah. Don't want to leave it plugged in for too long. Ow, that freaking sparked. Oops. Yeah, and then my other 2 car batteries are, well, 3 car batteries, 3 car batteries. Why did I just say it again? I don't know. But here's this stuff again. What the hell was that? So that's just, yeah. I do want to hook up these speakers up to these cubes, but I don't know how. Like, they're pretty good. Like, I will have the speakers maybe like that on each side and super glue them. Wouldn't that look good? And just been a bit busy this week. I think that's about all that I wanted to show you. Tell me in the comments below what video should I do next. Yeah, because I'll want to be waiting for a response, and yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I think it's just going to be random things. Yeah, random things for. Yeah. Yeah, like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, keep subscribing, guys. I want at least 2,000 subscribers. I would really love it. And hopefully next year I'll have at least 10,000 or something. Okay, yeah, like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I'll see you next time, guys. See ya.
Right now, you're listening to the Drop Nationwide Australia's #1 dance show.
See you guys. Catch you later.
Yeah, that's the track. Do you want the chance to win your share in $50,000?